Welcome to my channel. I'm going to teach you how to create a new Unity VR game for HTC Vive in this video. So let's get started. We're going to start with Unity and let's create a new project. You click here at new and let's give this VR and 3D, and that's that. Now that this is created, you want to go to Asset Store. If you do not have this window, go to Windows, and here you'll find Asset Store. You can also hit Control+9. Once you've done that, you want to go up to Search, and you want to say Steamvr plugin and search, and you'll find this particular asset. I have already downloaded this, so I only need to import it. If you have not, you'll need to download it, and you'll find this import button. It's completely free, so let's go. Okay, so we're importing this package, so let's import it, and we're done. So to get started, you need to first import this and click this. Let's go to scene. Perfect. Now what you want to do is get rid of main camera. Now you want to go to Steamvr under project. You want to accept all these setting choices. You want to go to Steamvr. You want to go to prefabs, accept all. These kind of things shoot up. You want to find what's called a camera rig and drag it into your scene. Left click, drag into your scene. Once that's done, you're probably set up using your HTC Vive VR, and your game should be up and running. So let's test it out. I'm gonna hit the play button. Let's connect the VR. Let's see. Okay, there we go. I can see my controllers, and yeah, we're basically set up with VR just like that. It's easy. You can click and this shows up. And there's your pointer, and there is clicking, and okay, perfect. So our VR environment, the basics is done, so it's set up. Now the next thing I want to do is test out with a couple of cubes. I want to let's create a 3D plane first. And so here we have our plane. Let's make some spheres. So I'm going to duplicate these spheres. I'm going to place them all around here, one over here, one here, just so we can look at it in VR space. It should not take a lot of time. Okay, and we'll go. I can already see the spheres we just created in our plane, and we have this right here. So that's scene setup. Now let's get started making an actually functional game. So let's create something. This and a couple of next tutorials, I'm going to create a simple game that'll allow me to handle a gun with my controller and shoot at these cubes. And if you hit the cubes, it's going to blast. That's going to be the simple game I'm going to teach you. The key things you'll learn in these upcoming tutorials would be to change the controller, which does not sound that confusing, but it is kind of confusing, and there aren't any tutorials on changing your controller model, which is pretty neat. It's not tricky at all. It's pretty simple, and I'll look into that. So till next time.